So it's me. I bought Iman Gadzhi's Educate course and tried it for 365 days to see if it actually works. At the end of this video, I'll share exactly how much I earned during the journey and whether it was worth it or not. Let's rewind to June 2024. I'm lying on my bed wondering how I can earn money online. Why? Because my feed is full of young guys driving Bugattis and wearing million-dollar watches. Anyway, I started researching and watched every single dropshipping video on YouTube. But deep down, I knew something was missing. All those videos had one goal: to sell me a course. So, I bought one. I saw Iman Gadzhi and thought, okay, this guy looks different. Maybe he is, maybe not. But I ended up buying the course and started exploring. My only goal was to hit that $10,000 a month milestone. Did I succeed? We'll see. After a few minutes, I got access to the platform and began clicking through every section, just trying to figure out how to actually make money. Then I found the starting video. I clicked it, and there was Iman himself, welcoming students, explaining how to use the platform. But I wasn't looking for intros. I needed real knowledge, and I was ready to invest every hour I had. The platform had 4 programs: Digital Launchpad, The Winning Store, Pen to Profit, and 6-figure sales rep. Everything looked exciting, and I wanted to watch all of them immediately. But the course makes you go one by one. So, I started with Digital Launchpad. This module is like a roadmap where Iman shares his life, routines, and mindset tasks. It includes 7 lessons and tells his story to inspire us. He also shares productivity tips, gym routines, and other lifestyle advice. But honestly, since I don't have a private gym inside a mansion, most of those tips didn't apply to me. Still, it had some really useful lessons I use to this day. For example, I learned about monk mode and habit-building techniques that helped me stay focused on my goals. If you're wondering, monk mode is a time period where you eliminate all distractions, like social media, alcohol, and porn, and go all in on a specific task. After completing that section, I moved on to what I really cared about: dropshipping. And yes, I actually got some results from that business model. The dropshipping course is taught by Jordan Welch, a well-known dropshipper. He starts from scratch, finding a product, building a store, and launching ads. It all looks great, but the lessons weren't as detailed as I hoped. If you're a complete beginner, you might struggle. Why? Because while he teaches how to build trust and create a quality store, he doesn't explain how to solve problems you'll face during the process. That part? Missing. Still, I learned a lot and picked up valuable information. Next up, and my favorite program, was Pen to Profit. I have no idea how I hadn't seen this guy online before. Luis Birger delivers pure, real information on copywriting. From scratch, he helps you build the right mindset and strategy to write powerful emails that convert. The downside? Copywriting is slowly dying. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can now write emails, scripts, and ad copy within seconds. Still, I used what I learned in this module to improve my ads, video scripts, and personal brand, and it actually worked. The last program was 6-figure sales rep, taught by Paul Daly. This course teaches how to sell anything to anyone and how to close deals in different ways. But here's the thing, I didn't really have a place to apply those techniques, so I cheated a little and tested them in my SMMA business. Alright, here we are, the end of the road. I've explained how I applied these lessons in my business and life. Now let's talk results. How much did I actually make? From SMMA, $2,117. But I didn't learn this from the course. I've been doing it for years. From dropshipping, $960. I tried different markets and strategies from the course. From sales rep program, nothing specific. I didn't have a use case. From copywriting, I applied what I learned in my ads, branding, and scripts, but not as a separate income stream. So, in total, I made around $3,000 in 1 year. Is that a lot? No, but let me tell you why. This course is not for beginners. All the strategies and business models are built for people who already have 5 to 6 months of experience in online business. So if you're starting from scratch, like I did, you'll probably gain nothing. But if you've already started and want to level up, maybe it's worth a try. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. That was my journey, and I've got a lot more to share. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you all build the life you dream of. Take care!